Hey guys, today we will be playing around a restaurant. So yeah, do you like my avatar? I think it's beautiful. So yeah, I got fishing, but last time was just a preview. So I got fishing. I added this little part. I need to get some modern little benches. So there we go. So let's go back to this. Let's go back and put these down. So yeah, got fishing, and then this is like where we eat at the fishing area. So. And then we also have another side, and then over here's where they fish. And then we have this as like a trophy. And then, okay, and then like this is gonna be like a tour of my base, and then we're gonna actually do a gameplay. And then, okay, and then over here is like the picnic area. I'm not done with this, so I'm just gonna get 2 more flower planters, and then I will like. So yeah. Okay, wait, wrong way. Okay. And so yeah, this is like a little picnic area. It's still a work in progress, but it's gonna turn good. So yeah. And then we're gonna start for now the inside. Well, but like this is just a little farm, but I can't really go inside there. Yeah. So now over here we have my cat, Graham Cracker. And then my little sign for like my base, I'm Diamond 3. And then we have some lights, and then more souvenirs. Then if we go in, it's a little welcome sign, and then some plants. And then we will get to upstairs later, but we have a little table here, and a little booth table over here. It's really cute, and I like it, and you can have like a little view. And if we go over here, another little table. And then here is my kitchen. So we have a couple basic stoves, a couple like retro stoves, some sinks, and like a dishwasher, and like random counter. Don't mind that. That's coming from upstairs. We have 2 little tip jars, money over here, and then we have an ice cream cart, a little secret area under the stairs, but yeah. Okay, and then we're not done with the downstairs yet. Over here, I'm gonna put like a bunch of fridges, as you can see, and then a big like bar kind of table. I think I'm gonna change these out to counters. Another table because my stairs used to be over here, but I moved it. And then, yeah, we just have a little corner area over here. So yeah, and then now we're gonna go upstairs. So we just have walls over here because when I was looking at Chihuahua avatar, I need the walls to go up the stairs so I can like that. But okay, we're gonna start with over here. Here's like my little hibachi kind of area, like the little stoves for the hibachi. That we have the little dishwashers where we serve, and then we have a fridge and some water, like a water dispenser, and the taco trophy for Taco Tuesday. Okay, over here we have my farm, so we're just gonna remove this so we can go inside of it. So this is where my pig lives. He just went inside there. But yeah, we have a little barn where we make the pork, and then he makes what are these called? Truffles. And then here are my cows. They have their own area too, but they only have 1 barn, where we also make like beef with them. And then over here we have 3 fridges to store all of this stuff. And we have the little chicken smokers, like where we cook the chicken. I need to buy 1 more chicken feeder, but yeah, we have a couple chickens and chicken feeders. So yeah. Over here is my farm. I have a couple honeys, And then we have my fridges, but they're all full somehow. And then, yeah. I don't have any pineapples yet, but wait, let me just. Okay. Let's see. No, I haven't unlocked them yet, but my friend has. And then, yeah. And then over here we have like a little manager office kind of thing with like painting. I bought some fairy lights and the grand chandelier, more fairy lights. And then the fairy lights are from the black market, if you're wondering. Water dispenser, some plants, and then I'm gonna show you some like previews of what I'm gonna do. So over here, instead of this water dispenser, I'm gonna get a drink maker, but like I don't have enough for them yet, cause look, yeah, I need farming level 45, but I'm only on level farming 43, so I need 2 more levels for farming, but yeah. And then, yeah, basically that's it, but like I have these little benches over here. Nothing quite special, like a little welcome mat over here. Oh, this is like my meeting area. Like, not my meeting area, like my manager office, because I can like view everything. And yeah, so, and then we have, wait, I think I already showed you this part. Yeah, so that's basically it. I mean, really, like, yeah, this is just it. So, yeah, like, we just have 2 little the regular ice boxes and the fish processing area. See, I have a lot of fish though. Don't mind that. I'm gonna do lobster, but like the fridges are full. So yeah. I think we should go someone else's base. So yeah, and we're gonna like tour it. Oh wait, this is actually good. Diamond tail. Okay. Okay, so he has a dishwasher right here. Okay, fridge, not fridge, a little dishwasher right here, a bunch of tables, grass floor though, an empty area with his bunny named Goat, and then his little cooking station, he has like some these, a serving thing, and then fridges. I think his farms are upstairs. So let's go up the stairs and find out. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure. So a big row of basic fridges. A cow feeder, 2. A chicken feeder, a lot of processors, and this very majestic farm. Sprinklers, no beehives yet. The chickens are running everywhere, so I would recommend some fences there, buddy, but overall, I think it's pretty good. I just don't like I don't really like the interior, but like, yeah. It's a little messy, like the interior is hard to get around. Okay, now this girl's like gold 3. Ooh, wait, this is actually good. Okay, wait. Okay, so she has some eating places, and then over here's her kitchen, I'm assuming, yeah. And then this is where you like her base. And then some basic stoves, a basic fridge, picture stove, a couple basics, and some modern ones. And a lot of stuff in dishwashers. Okay, there she is. And we have another little cooking area right here. And then some eating. She's still working on the floor, I'm pretty sure. Cute. Oh, wait, here's the farm. So we have a little farm over here. And then we have the animal farm. And then, yeah, pretty good. I like it. Okay, I think I already checked out that guy's base. Let's check out the other guy's base. I think that's the last person in the game. Yeah. And let's hope he doesn't leave. He's champion 2. Oh. Okay. 2 green machines. Whatever this is. Some tables and stuff. Hidden kitchen. Holy wait. I actually like this. It's like hidden. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Cool. And then behind there's something in this little box enclosed. I have to find his fridges. I mean, not fridges, his stairs. Oh, they're over there. Then we're gonna check out this big fridge section and see if I can get it. Over here, his upstairs is very empty. Just a bunch of fridges. And yeah, that's technically it. And a lot of farm plots. Let's see if we can find a way to get into this big fridge. Oh wait, I'm already in it. Okay, first of all, he literally has this many fridges and they're all full. What? Like how, guys? How? And then he has so many processing stations. What the heck? Wait. What? And then, wait, why is that a cool base? Okay. Oh, here's where you like his base. I really like it. So yeah, that's technically it. So bye. By the way, this is my first video with actually a voice. So shout out to my bestie for telling me how to do that. So bye.